Dual robot synchronized laser welding. Synchronized laser welding is a technology where multiple laser beams are precisely synchronized to weld. Similar to an orchestra performance. Multiple laser beams work simultaneously towards one goal, resulting in faster and more uniform welding outcomes. Synchronized laser welding and dual robot technology are utilized in various industries such as automotive, aerospace, and electronics. It is especially effective for welding high-strength lightweight materials, manufacturing complex-shaped parts, and mass production.